There are 6 basic steps in a normal design process. The first is programming, and schematic design, design development, contractor negotiations, and construction administration. The programming phase helps us establish what the parameters of the project are to be and helps the client understand what fits for his needs. Then once we have a good handle on that, we'll go into schematic design, which is putting diagrammatic solutions together to be able to run concepts by the client, say, well, does this work, does that work, would you like this but a little different? And in that phase we'll look at floor plans, we'll look at adjacencies of rooms, site issues like how you walk out of the house, how you arrive to the house, and also things like elevations and roof plans and the overall fit. And that's done on a conceptual level, so it's pretty flexible still. And then once the client feels comfortable with the direction and we agree upon that, we move into the design development phase, which is at that point when we start putting it on CAD, on computer-aided drafting and design. And at that point we're starting to get more precise in our dimensional requirements, our door and window packages, our heights, our stair runs, our structural systems and mechanical systems. But we're still doing it in a way that is still in the design mode. Then we move into the construction documents, which becomes the working drawings that the builder builds from. In that phase, it's really tying down all the detailed technical aspects of the project from which the contractor can build it, execute all the design intent, and part of that is bidding and negotiation with the contractor and his subcontractors, where we help answer questions that the contractor or subcontractors may have to help the owner get the best price and the best schedule worked out. After all that's settled, we get into the construction administration phase where we monitor the progress of the construction and usually have weekly site meetings with all the contractors and subcontractors, and we make sure that the project is properly executed.